I'm Lisa. I'm the Ukulele Fool, and this is our second lesson in the New to Uke series on E minor. Our first one was Whiskey in the Jar. So this one is Lean on Me, which I think needs no introduction whatsoever. I have developed the New to Uke series, which is a series of lessons and tutorials to get an absolute adult beginner from just starting out on the ukulele to being where they can jam at uke sessions and play with others and have a whole repertoire of songs to do it on. So I take really small, manageable steps, teach them as part of songs like we'll do in this tutorial. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, check out my Patreon website. The New to Uke series, which has a complete guide to the curriculum, is only $3 a month. If you just want to put some money in my tip jar to support the work I'm doing, $1 a month will get you in. And then I have online sessions if you like at the higher levels. So come and join us. Find out what all the fun on ukulele is all about. So in our previous tutorial on E minor, we went from G to E minor to C. Now we're going to reverse it. And we're going to go C, E minor, and G. All right, let's learn how to do that. To make the transition from C to E minor, I start out with my C, plop down my index finger, and then hop the middle and ring finger over to the E and C strings. And I don't know if you can see what I think is like a ladder. And so I think of E minor as a ladder. So that'll help you if you ever encounter it at a jam group or something like that, and you say E minor, scratching your head. What's E minor? Oh yeah, it's one of the ladder ones. Yeah. Just practice that a little bit where you're just going C, E minor, and G, C, G. Get those down. The nice thing about what the arrangement that I've done for this song is that the strumming is going to be really simple, because I want the lyrics, which are so wonderful, and I hope you can sing this like with family and friends and grandkids or kids, that because the song has a really important meaning about building community and what we all need together. This song has 3 sections. A section you might call a verse, and then another section that you might call a chorus, and then there's a third section, and because it does it twice, you can't call it a bridge, so I don't know what you call it. If classical music, we would say it's a C section, not to be confused with the birthing process. Okay, excuse me. So what I'm going to do with that third section is add some slaps. Somebody to lean on, I just don't have a problem. So we're going to practice doing that first. So, do you have to do the slapping? No, but it really does. When I taught elementary schools, that's what we do on that section. So, what you're going to do is you're going to do a down strum. I do my kind of fake pick hand and then just open up your hands. So, down, open, and slap. You will not be hurting your ukulele. No ukuleles were harmed in the filming of this video. And I want to give a big shout out to Mr. Keebler and to Tom Parse. Mr. Keebler has that's his phrase, no ukuleles were harmed in this video. And then Tom Parse, who basically explained to me, your ukulele body is really a drum. So why not use it like a drum? And I thought, oh, this is a perfect song to do that. So practice that. Most of it's on C, so it's in a pattern of 8, and you're going to do 6 down strums on C, then you're going to the 7th is a G and a slap, and then back to 8 with a C. See if you can do it with me. 1, 2, and here we go. C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, So let me know in the comments down below. Are you having fun hitting your ukulele? Let me know. The other two sections, we're going to keep the same pattern of strumming with it, and it's really simple. We're just going to, sometimes in our lives we all have pain. Isn't that simple? So we're just going to make a few little changes at the end. So you've got both sections start out with C, F, and C, and you're just going to be doing 2 slow down strums on each one of those chords. You got this one, don't you? Then when we get to the E minor, you're going to speed up and double time 2 down strums. E, G is also doubled up. So, and then the second part of it, we do the C and F again. And then G is doubled up, G and C. So let's practice that together. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, begin. C, and F, and C, and 2 E minors, 2 G's and C, So we've gone over the strumming. We've gotten familiarized with that E minor. So, hey, let's do a play along. We're just going to do an intro of a C down strum for 4 beats and then get right into it. Easy peasy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4. Sometimes in our lives we all have pain, we all have sorrow, but if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Please swallow your pride. If I have things you need to borrow, for no one can fill those of your needs that you don't let show. So just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem that you'll understand. We all need somebody to lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. So just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem that you'll understand. We all need somebody to lean on. We all need somebody to lean on. If there is a load you have to bear, that I'll share your load if you just call me. So just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem that you'll understand. We all need somebody to lean on. We all need somebody to lean on. I hope you had as much fun doing that as I did. You can always slow down the speed on YouTube. Thank you so much for learning with me, and I'll catch you next time. Until then, keep spreading the ukulele love.